Let's talk about 3 ways to prepare your finances for homeownership. Even if you're not thinking that you'll be buying a home in the next 6 or 12 months, it's still important to prepare your finances now. And we're going to go over the 3 things you can do and why. Step number 1 is understanding that savings is more important than being debt-free. We're going to repeat it again because this goes against almost every intuition that you might have. Having savings is more important than being debt-free. And here's the reason why. Most of our first-time homebuyer clients are not limited by their income. They're limited by their savings. And it is way easier to pay off debt with savings than it is to do it the other way around. Once that debt is paid off, it's much harder to get the cash back if you needed it. The second thing is to order a copy of your credit report. By doing this early on, if there are any inaccuracies in your credit report, you have plenty of time to contest them and fix them. And if you're still working on your credit, it's really good to have a goal in mind and to set up an action plan. So that way you can improve your credit to become a worthy borrower and to be in a situation where you'll get approved for a loan. And then the third recommendation in preparing your finances for homeownership is to talk to a lender. A lot of people are afraid to do this early on, but it's better to know than to not know. And even if you're not ready, and even if you're not able to get a loan at this time, a lender can really discuss your options, different paths to homeownership, and really give you a strategy to reach your goals. The most fun part of buying a house is looking at homes. And it's a lot more fun when you've already done the prep work, when you already have the financial stuff out of the way. That way you can focus on what's really important in your home search.